Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your internet connection on your Windows 7 device. So this should be hopefully a pretty quick tutorial, and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up your start menu, and you want to type in CMD. Best match should say CMD under Programs. You want to right click on it, and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in NET SH space INT space IP, another space reset. So NET SH space INT space IP space reset. Then, as it appears on my screen, once you have it like that, you want to hit enter. Should take a couple seconds to run this command, so you just want to be patient here. Once that is done and it says to restart your computer, you want to type in NET SH again space, except this time you want to type in after that WinSock WINSOCK space reset. So again, NET SH space WinSock space reset. And then once you have it how it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. It should say successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart your computer. So at this point, I recommend you heed that advice. Close out of any open programs or applications you have on your screen. And once you restart your computer, hopefully that issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.